The book corner. The book corner is a quiet area for reading a variety of books, comics, newspapers and leaflets. Audiobooks can also be available for the children to listen to stories and rhymes. Puppets can be used in this area to tell stories and to listen to the children while they tell the stories and read the books. This area should be clean and tidy, comfortable, and it should be situated away from the louder areas. The environment should offer a quiet, comfortable and relaxing area. Bewin and Dotty can be used in this area to listen and tell stories with the children as they develop their language skills. Puppets and soft toys can also be used to create the stories and listening to the tales. The children should be able to concentrate and not be disturbed by the hustle and bustle of the Cylch and have opportunities to ask questions and discuss issues. This area can be the Cylch's library and children can borrow and return books from here. This area is also important for the children to learn how to respect reading material.